is Kirtland.
Hello, my name is Brenda. Hello, my name is Lucia.
Welcome to How You Bake It.
If you wash your hands, you always have to
wash your hands.
So, don't worry, we are making
Monster Apple Bites.
Yeah, we're making Monster Apple Bites.
Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Okay, so here's what you're gonna do. Take 2 apples and put them on the table. Take 2 apples. Then you're gonna take some peanut butter and spread it on the apples like this.
So, the apples?
On both apples.
Mom, I need some peanut butter, Mom.
Okay, hold on. Let me do mine first.
And then I'll go next.
Then I'll go last.
Okay.
No, Mom, you're just showing everybody.
Yeah. Okay. Kirtland, you go next.
This butter man and whoops.
Then, once you have the peanut butter on, take some marshmallows and put them
I'm
on
second to go white.
the peanut butter, just like this. Then you're gonna take your other apple and put it right on top. And now, it looks like you have a monster mouth.
I'm not gonna have a monster mouth. I'm not gonna have a monster mouth.
Mommy,
I'm just gonna take the monster. Oh
Mommy, can you help me?
My teeth fell out. My monster teeth fell out.
no.
Mommy, will you help me?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-oh. That's why I only take a little and a little. Let me just take some marshmallow. Come back.
Put the marshmallows on.
Here's free for you.
I'm gonna have lots of tea.
Are ya?
Me too, because I want lots of marshmallows. Thanks for doing it. I just forgot to put mine on.
That's okay.
Hello. You got lots of teeth. I'll have a lot more
Mommy,
teeth.
look. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7.
What? That is a lot of teeth. Okay, put your teeth on.
3 plus 4 equals 7.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have a lot of teeth.
Oh. I think I should put my marshmallows on that one.
Of mine.
Put all the marshmallows on that you want. All of them. All the marshmallows.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
7,
9, 10. I have 10 teeth. More
10
than
teeth?
pots.
What? That's awesome.
How? I did not put any in that one, really.
I'm not gonna stuff it together. I don't like apples. Besides, I don't even like apples anymore.
What do you think, Kirtland?
No.
Okay, Lucia, put the lips together. Let's see how your monster bites turned out.
No. Ta-da! I need another marshmallow.
Ready?
Even one right here.
Flip. Oh my. Look at how big that is.
One of my teeth fell out.
Here, Brenda, let's put yours together. Ready?
And that's how you bake it.